Hacking with Flipper Zero nowadays, this is a trend in 2024. Everyone want this Flipper Zero device and they want to test the technology nearby. There are many examples such that, right? And in the coming video, I'm going to show you like the complete capability of Flipper Zero. Let's focus today what we are going to see. So I'm currently in hotel. Actually, I came here for offline training regarding hardware hacking. And again, I'm going to stay long in this hotel, and definitely if I'm staying long, definitely all security I'm going to check it. So today I'm going to focus on this hotel card. So I'm not going to show you the hotel name, but this is the card which I'm going to test it for unlocking the hotel door. So today what we are going to see, how to unlock the hotel door with the help of Flipper Zero, and this is the card. But I have no idea what card it is. So I need to perform a complete black hat approach. So I have no idea means like I don't know this is an NFC card or this is RFID card or basically work on different frequency. I have no idea about it. So in this particular case, how we are going to identify, that is the basically main important point. So let's get started. I am Harshad, founder and CEO of Hacker Associate. I'm a black hat guy. For more information about me, just check hackerassociate.com website and follow my page for more information like that. Let's begin. So here is the Flipper Zero and here is our card. So we are going to see how to clone this particular card and unlock the hotel. So first we need a cable of Flipper Zero, and then simply you connect it and then connect to the laptop. So I'm connected. After that you can open the Q Flipper application just like that. Open the application and you can see right now we don't have any updates. Just click here in this button and just again one more time. So you can see that different things here. Okay, so first I have no idea about this card, so simple select this 125K HZ RFID and then enter. And I want to read the card, so just you take the Flipper Zero and just this card you just back side of the Flipper Zero, you can just put it there the same way. So in this case I'm going to read this card, so just press enter and then I'm just putting the card in the back side and you can see this is the entire process, right? And again you can see we don't have any information, so this is not our card. So just go back and change our methodology. So now just look for NFC and then press enter. Before entering I'm just going to put this card just back side of the Flipper Zero just like that, and you can see when you press enter, read, and let's see what will happen. And yes, this is our card. Okay, so this is NFC card. So if you have the same card like that, okay, the same card in the sense like rewritable card, you can directly clone this particular card and you can go to the hotel and you can read the stuff, or you can basically enter into the particular room. So now here is our card and you can see key found 32 by 32, sector read 16 by 16. It means we have a success now. Now what you can do next is you can simply go to the more section here and you can save the key just like that. So when you click on the button, you can see the mysterious entry. So this is basically the name. If you want to change the name, you can change the name, but I'm not going to change the name. I'm going to save this basically this thing, and you can see the keys is saved. So you can clearly see that this is my room number and the keys are saved. So hotel key 609, which I already tested and is working completely. So exactly there's a reason I'm recording this video, and this is second we created. So if you want to unlock the hotel using the same method, what you need to do, you need to go again back, go to the NFC, and this time go here for emulation. Right now I don't have a card. Just go to the detect reader. This is the button. You can use touch the reader. That's it. And I just need to check where is my keys. So this is the key here, NFC, and you can simply go to the saved action, and this is the key, right? And what you want to do with this key. So example, let's see if you click here emulate. So in this case, now if you click on emulation, now you can go nearby to the door and you can you can see it is emulating right now. Have you seen the entire process? That's how we can unlock any hotel door. In the next video, we are going to learn about how to hack the hotel Wi-Fi, and we're going to examine different access point, 2.4 gigahertz and 5 gigahertz specifically, and we'll see how we can test live, and I'm going to show you this live in the next video. I hope this video is informative for you. Thank you for watching, and please like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye.